Devonte, what's your thoughts on the game today?
I think the team did pretty well. We did what we set out to do, and we got the 3 points. We could have got more goals, but such is the nature of the game, and we're very grateful for the victory.
All right, then good. So, what do you think about the support today? Even with the 3:30 time frame, what do you think about the support?
To be honest, it was a very good crowd. A lot of people came out despite the time. And I thought if the game was at a later time, we would have gotten more support. But we're grateful for the support that we got, and we go again.
All right. So on this World Cup qualifying leg that we're on here, your thoughts? You think we're gonna definitely make it to the World Cup? Cause I don't put my house on the line,
Yeah, well, definitely, because we have the team, we have the quality, and we have the depth. So I think we can go all the way.
Alright, no problem. So you can put phone house on the line as well, because that's how we reach. So respect Camo.